Hey, welcome back to Alien RestoMod Garage. This is what we're going to try and do today. Start the engine. Our goals are to run the engine for 10 minutes and make sure we have no fires. To start the engine, we need to go ahead and connect the PCM. Test the fuse block and the fuel pump. Connect the mufflers from the junkyard. Add some transmission fluid. Put the transmission in park, attach mechanical oil gauge, attach mechanical temperature gauge. Turn the engine because it's been sitting for about a year. Meixsell oil. Attach the belt. Add some power steering fluid. Relocate some wires. Attach the original 1969 radiator. And patch holes. And we're going to go ahead and test the fuel line to make sure we have 58 psi. That is required for the 5.3. Once we get all that, we're going to go ahead and try and start the engine. We got it started. Then I ran around the side. I saw I had an oil leak. I had not tightened the oil filter. You know, go figure. But I stopped it, tightened the oil filter, and then I tried to start it again, and I was having problems. It did start, but we were getting a lot of backfires. And I looked underneath at the makeshift mufflers. This one wasn't tight enough and got blown off. And the other one is kind of wedged in there, so it's not coming off. It was shooting out flames right around there. Or just, yeah, it was basically flames. So that means there's something wrong, and I'm not sure. So I gotta tear a lot of things apart, which is kind of depressing. I was hoping everything was going to go right, but it did not. But it did start. There's a lot of things I don't know, which I have to figure out. I'm going to have to take the valve covers off and check inside to see if anything's broke. I'm going to do that far. I mean, there's a lot of little indicators. I mean, looking at the headers, and we got color there, and color there. So I know these are firing. This one's, it was hot, but there's no color on it. So this cylinder might be bad. Not the cylinder, but this coil. So I don't know, I got to check it. I did have good oil pressure, as you saw. I had like 50 pounds, which was great. That means everything was working down there. Temperature gauge really never got any hot. I didn't run it long enough to really get hot. But, so I have to tear stuff apart. Unfortunately, kind of feel a little defeated right now, but I have to, you got to do what you got to do. All right. So I'll see you guys in a little while, but thanks for watching. And if you have any ideas, put it in the comment. Kind of need a direction. I don't want to take the engine out. Do not want to do that. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Alien RestoMod Garage.